Hey guys, doing my vlog right now. We're out here buying a computer.
What up?
Alright. Um, so it turns out Micro Center didn't have all the parts, so we didn't end up building it, so I'm just gonna do something else. Hey guys, so instead I think I'm gonna do a Super Collider tutorial video just to learn about it. So let's see, I think we're gonna start with some tutorials. That'd be good. We might as well start with number 1. Yeah. Okay, that's how you code. Okay, number 2. Hello world, got it. Okay, good. Okay. Let's just copy paste this, see what that does. Command enter. Okay, if we look down here, yep. I am Ishmael. Okay, seems like we got that. Now let's start our engine. Okay, we gotta start an application, so I'm gonna command B. Okay, error, input sample size, okay, mismatched. Okay, does this matter? Cannot initialize audio, server exited. Okay, well, thanks for watching my video. I hope to get this fixed by next time. If you want more introductions like this, please let me know.